Hello and welcome to a new session on the topic IT certifications. In today's session, we dive deeper into the world of MongoDB certifications. Let's get started. So I will double check on my Credly account, and on my Credly account over here, I'll check by the issuer MongoDB. And here I will get listed all of the MongoDB badges, applied skills, and certifications that I have accomplished myself. So using these passes based on my own experiences in the topic, I will show you how to get started and what are the available possibilities to achieve using MongoDB University. So we move on, and here I'm already on learnmongodb.com. And the first thing I will do is go to credentials and view all certifications. So on MongoDB University, you find all of the possible certification paths, and you can choose a learning path. Means that if you are deciding to be a developer, an administrator, or only a modeler, then you can choose which path you want to take, and then based on the path that you take, you will get the learning materials on MongoDB University. And one tip, this is the hint of this session. If you complete the learning material on MongoDB University, you get 50% discount on the certification price. So this is one of the things that you should watch out for, because you get 50% discount, and this is the first step. The second step is, if you are a student and you have a student card and you are registered on GitHub student program, you get a completely free certification exam. You get one shot, but could be enough to get certified. So watch out for these offerings, because they make a huge difference financially if you care. On the other hand, you check out all the different learning paths. Let's choose one learning path for the sake of experimenting. And here you can see administrator path, a database administrator, developer path, data modeling path. This was the one that raised my interest on the topic, because data modeling is one of the essential tasks I perform as an enterprise architect, and makes a huge difference in terms of cost, efficiency, and all of the data related challenges that you need to solve. So you find here the page of the data modeling path. You can register. You have 8 hours of training materials. You can see here they are listed, different topics and different sessions that you need to complete before you can finally take the exam. You can take the exam without completing the materials and tell me how you did. Myself, I have taken the materials and took the time to review all the materials, and after that I have taken the exam and passed it at one shot. Let's say that you are not really interested in the entire data modeling topic or an entire path on its own, then MongoDB University has also something for you. Let's move to skills, and here are the applied skills, or the skills packages, more of micro courses in the sense that they are related to a topic. So for example, you are interested only in cluster reliability, and you review the topic, and you can see here the time span is quite shorter, 30 to 90 minutes each topic, and after completing it you get an applied skill badge on your Credly, which you can share on social media. You can also add it to your CV and resume to stand out to the recruiters and your clients. So you can see they are divided by topics, and they are even shorter, down to 20 minutes, 40 minutes. There are new ones that you can also visit, so you can stay up to date on the topics and fulfill your passion. That's I use as a baseline, as we have shown in a previous session on what are the benefits of IT certifications. This is one, the foundational benefit, in my own opinion, that you can fulfill your passion. The filters you can play around with to divide by the topic. Let's say generative AI, one of the topics that MongoDB also excels in, and I have benefited a lot from these micro courses in the context of projects in real life, because you get an idea what is possible to use with vector database in MongoDB, and how you can use agents and all of the different generative AI trending buzzwords. So you are not left in the dust here. You can stay up to date very easily, and you can do it on your mobile phone. This is one of the things that I did on commuting in the transport, on the subway. I used to have my telephone on learnmongodb.com, MongoDB University, and go through the pages and have a better use of my time in commute time. And this is one of the tips that you can also benefit from in the direction of MongoDB University. Last but not least, you can also have instructor-led training, where you can browse the training catalog or instructor-led training schedule and arrange or book a training. This also, I have not tried it myself, but one of the possibilities. If I move back to the dashboard, after you have completed your learnings, you can see here I've got 14 badges, 53 hours of learning, 41 completed units, and 2 MongoDB certifications. You see the certifications are listed down, and the badges, you can share them on LinkedIn, and they are also available on the Credly page, and you have the certification you can add it to your resume. The badges themselves, you can view all badges that you have completed on the page here or on Credly page. I would say that was quite an insightful experience that I wanted to share with you. And I hope this inspires you to start your learning journey with MongoDB University. Disclaimer: this is not associated with any affiliates or any personal or financial benefits I gain from this video. This is my own experience, and I wanted to share it with you to inspire you to get on your feet in the direction of certifications in MongoDB. Thank you, and see you in future sessions.